You keep checking the mirror, still no drop, still no length, and you're wondering if your locks are even growing at all. I'm here to tell you that they are, just not in the way you're expecting. When it comes to the first 1 to 12 months of your lock journey, growth doesn't always show up in inches. In fact, the growth that's happening, and I'm not sorry to say this, but the growth that's happening, it's internal. This phase is quiet, unimpressive to the outside world, but in this moment, everything's happening here. Confidence building, structure, identity, self-love, and self-acceptance. Overall, just accepting yourself in your rawest, purest, most natural form. With the insane amount of shrinkage that happens in the early stages of a lock journey, you might feel like you're going backwards. But I'm here to tell you that what you're really seeing is compression. Your locks are binding, thickening, condensing, and locking up. That's not punishment, my friends. That's progress. And I'm saying all of this, and I know you're tired of waiting. I know you're tired of feeling behind when it comes to your hair. But the lock journey isn't linear, and you aren't late. Right now, you're just learning to sit still with becoming. Look at your roots. That frizz, that fuzz, that's new life. That slight tightness in the middle of your strands, that's locking in motion. The main reason it feels like your locks aren't growing is because what's happening right now, it's too sacred to be rushed. So stop worrying about if your hair isn't growing or not. Romanticize the progress, nourish the process, wear your head held high, and document what you can't yet explain. I promise you, take pictures so that you're able to look back and see how far your hair has come. Months can go by, and if you're not taking pictures, it might seem like your hair is the same every single day. But I promise you, those minor changes, they're definitely there, and you'll be able to tell through the pictures that you take. You'll be able to see how different your locks are from month 1 to month 6 to month 12. You're growing, your locks are growing. No mirror that you're looking in can ever measure the progress that's happening, and that progress is happening inside and out. And I feel like inside growth is much more important than what happens on the outside. So this video is my gentle reminder to you that you're not alone, you're not crazy. This is just a part of the journey that no one warned you about. You'll be just fine, and you're going to come out of this so confident, so strong. This patience that you're having to just sit through your hair seemingly not growing fast enough, all this shrinkage, you're going to be a stronger person on the other side of it. So don't give up. Even if you feel like my hair isn't growing at all, it is. Your hair grows every single day, okay? And sometimes our eyes just can't keep up. I hope this video encouraged even one person not to give up on their journey. I hope this video inspires even one person to stop stressing about their locks. Trust me, in the first 1 to 12 months, even 2 years in my lock journey, I wish I wasn't so obsessed and hell-bent on like figuring out what's going on with my hair and just let it flow, because I should have known that if I just had patience and stick with it, eventually I'd get here. And man, I'm here and I'm loving it. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like. If you're vibing with the message, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for being here with me. I'll see you again in the next one. Happy lock journey to you.